Tracy rides the bus home from school each day. The graph represents her distance from home relative to the number of minutes since the school bus left. So basically, this graph here is measuring how far away home she is, starting at school. And it's tracking as the time goes on, she's getting closer and closer to home, right? Makes sense because she's taking the bus home. So here the question is asking us, what does the slope of the graph mean? So here the first one says Tracy's bus travels towards her home at an average speed of 1/2 mile per minute. Okay, well, let's see. Well, it says that she's traveling towards her home, so that's good, right? Because we know she's going home. Now it says 1/2 mile per minute. So let's see. So it looks here that from 0 to 1, I can't clearly see. I'm starting at 9. It looks like I'm ending at maybe 8.5, but I can't really tell. Let's look at the next point to see if I can decipher that a little bit more clear. Okay, so it says after 2 minutes, I've gone from being 9 miles away to now 8 miles away. So if it takes me 2 minutes to travel 1 mile, therefore, it might take me, if I wanted to split that in half to think about 1 minute, then yes, it is going to take me a 1/2 mile instead of a whole. Okay, so that sounds pretty good, but let's look at the other ones just to be sure. Okay, Tracy's bus travels towards her home. Okay, so that's right. At an average speed of 2 miles per minute. Okay, well, we can definitely see here that if I travel 1 minute, I don't go from 9 to 7. I'm still, we just saw, about 8.5. But let's check another point just to be sure. Okay, so let's maybe go from 4 to 5. So from 4, I'm 7 miles away. 5, I'm definitely not 5 miles, right? It takes me a little bit of time. So that one's not going to work. Tracy's bus travels away from her home. Wait, hold on. It says that we're driving to home. Okay, so that's not going to work. And then it says Tracy's bus also travels away from her home. Nope, not going to work. So yes, that first problem is, or that first question or solution is going to be our answer.